Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am in like the most bummiest clothing. If you can't tell, I'm literally in like sweatpants. This is just gonna be a super chill video while I pack for vacation that I literally leave for in like a couple days. It's currently Thursday and we leave Sunday, so I am kind of not really last minute packing, but I usually always pack at least a week in advance. So as you can tell behind me, I have a bunch of bins, and you might be wondering, you know, why are all your clothes in bins? If you haven't seen my last two videos, I have just finished transitioning my closet and wardrobe from summer to fall. So I have all of my fall stuff out, and then I put all of my summer stuff like crop tops, tube tops, stuff that I wouldn't be wearing in the winter and fall away in my attic because I just don't have enough space or storage to like have it all out at once. I totally forgot that I was going on vacation and I put it all up in my attic, so I just got done bringing it all back down. So we're going from Sunday to Saturday, so like a whole 7 days, a week. And I just checked the weather so I could like pack accordingly. Obviously that's kind of like a good thing about packing last minute, but not really, because now I know that there is going to be thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's like 70% of our trip. Hopefully it changes. It usually does. Okay, this is small enough to pack even if I don't wear it. This is a really tight like bodycon dress, and it has like cute ruches in the middle. This will be for like a nice dinner or something. This dress would literally be so pretty to bring. I love this so much. Except for the fact that it's literally like see-through. It's like a sheer, I don't know if this is like lingerie or something or what. We obviously got to bring a white tube top. That is like a staple piece. So I'm not really gonna be pairing like outfits per se. I usually do, but I've actually, my last couple trips on vacation have not been doing that because I just find it a lot easier to like go according to the weather if I can have 7 tops and 7 bottoms and just mix match them when I get down there. Especially because all of my outfits are like neutral colors. Like I don't have like bright red or bright blue like tops or bottoms that I'm going to be wearing, so like they'll clash, you know. Like I have white, gray, black, and some pink things, so they'll all like match together, which is why I love the neutrals. You guys already know. I'm going to bring this light pink top. It's like a ribbed spaghetti strap top. I'm going to pack this as an outfit as well. That other white dress I'm not really counting as an outfit as well, just because it's small enough to bring and not count as an outfit, just as like an extra. Okay, but all my stuff is like go big or go home. Like I love this. I think I'm gonna bring this. Okay, I need to bring this. This will be the last dressy thing that I bring. Gonna bring this gray velvet bodysuit that's super cute with some like jean shorts or something. And I think it's going to be this plain white ribbed tank top from American Eagle. Just can go with anything and can go over anything. These white jean shorts from Forever 21 literally come everywhere with me, so these are a must. For bottoms, so far we have a white, a denim, and then a black pair of jean shorts. I'm going to bring these Hollister jeans, which actually still have the tag on them from Plato's. These fit amazing. They're super comfortable, and I like that they're light denim because these jean shorts are kind of like dark, so I guess I'm only gonna bring 2 pairs of jeans instead of 3, just because I really do think the weather will change. And even if it doesn't, I feel like with Florida weather, even if it does rain or thunderstorm, it's either really quick for like a couple minutes and it's not an all-day thing, or it's still hot with the rain and stuff. So I'm actually gonna bring this like pink bling shirt instead of this one. I feel like I'm not gonna wear this. These super comfortable like black paper bag shorts, I think they're called. Super loose and flowy if it is really hot. I'm just gonna throw an extra dressy top in there. I know I already have 2 dresses, but this will not take up much room. I'm literally gonna hate when I get back. I'm gonna have to bring all this stuff back out from the attic because when I leave for vacation, I cannot leave my room like a mess or knowing things are out of place. So like an old person would just like leave them out until you get back and then you can unpack it, but I just can't. Like, oh, we also have to pack the shoes. So I'm gonna bring these really cute nude rhinestone flip-flops. These will basically match with anything. I think I'm only gonna bring this pair for like flip-flops. And then I also do just want at least 1 pair of like slide-on shoes if I know we're gonna be walking around in the mall all day. And I also want to bring at least 1 pair of comfortable sneakers because especially with the forecast being like thunderstorms, we're probably gonna spend some time inside, or at least a whole day shopping on our feet, so I want to bring comfy shoes. I feel like my Air Forces are the only right way. I was going to bring my gray like monochrome Air Maxes, but these will match with anything, and that gray is like really weird and hard to match. So I am going to be vlogging down there, so obviously you guys will be able to see like what I end up pairing with what down there when I wear them. Also, these are a must. These are new Beat headphones that I actually just got yesterday. I have been on and off with AirPods. I had the old AirPods, then I sold them, then I got the new ones, and then I lost them, so I bought another pair, then I found them, so I had 2 pairs, and then like they didn't end up fitting me, so I sold them, and then I wanted them again because I couldn't find any other headphone that fit me, and it was just such a mess. These are like perfect. They're the new Beats, and they're the noise cancellation. So these ear muffs right here are so soft and big. Another thing with the AirPods are, since they're like the in-ear earbuds, my new conch piercings right here get in the way and they make them fall out. So this is like so big of a cushion that it literally goes over my whole ear. It doesn't even touch like these outer piercings. So good, so comfortable, and they're noise canceling. I literally like can't even hear myself when I talk. So I went to Target and I bought some essentials. I have my sparkly bag that I'm gonna be packing all my like cosmetics in. I got some mini like travel size products. I also need to put my shampoo and conditioner in a little bottle, so all my like liquids are TSA compliant. I don't even know if I mentioned in this video or even at all on my channel in the last couple weeks that I'm even going on vacation. This was kind of last minute that I'm mentioning this to you guys, so I don't even think I mentioned that we're going to be flying and we're going to New Smyrna Beach in Florida. That's where my family always goes. I'm going to be bringing my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil that has a spoolie on it. I am going to skip the lashes just because I feel like every time I bring them, I never actually wear them or find the time to put them on. So I have this Revlon Photo Ready concealer stick. It's super easy and creamy to blend out on its own without any brushes or beauty blenders. I'm also going to be doing some press-on nails just because I would get them done. I'm getting my toes done before vacation, but for my nails with my work, like they just hurt me so much because I have to wear gloves and stuff, so they just constantly get like banged and it hurts. So I'm just gonna skip that. I always go drawer by drawer just to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. As far as skincare, I'm gonna bring this mini moisturizer. It's so cute, and I really hope I'm able to bring this through the airport security. I was gonna bring this one by Too Faced because it's like an SPF thing in one, but I'm not trying to throw this out at security. I always need something to spray on my hair after a shower, so I usually use this, but I don't want to waste any of this and put it in like a travel size bottle because usually I just like throw them away, or these are small enough to the point where I use them all. But for like a liquid, I don't really know. This is too big of a bottle to bring, so I'm just gonna take this by Garnier. And toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, all that's going to be taken care of by my parents, so this is just like my stuff that I need for myself. My bag is considered a carry-on, so it can't be like too big. It can like smush if it needs to. I always mention at the end of my packing videos that of course I can't pack some things like my credit card, money, my wallet, driver's license. Like I need all that stuff until literally the day we leave, so all that will be last minute packing. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that upcoming video, and I hope to see you guys in my next. I love you so much, and bye guys.